Hello. Hi, good morning. This car has been plugged since Friday evening. Luckily, nobody called my man to unplug the car, so I decided to come this morning to come and unplug it. You know one thing I hate? I really hate this whole frosty thing that happens to cars in the morning during winter. I do not like it. So I've come to unplug the car. I have done that so far, but the car is covered in frost. I am defrosting it. I did not increase the heating for the windshield because I am speaking and I know you can still hear the sound anyway. When I finish this, I will increase it, but it's defrosting a little bit. Actually, it's doing something. I do not have answers to this, but I just feel like the truth seems like it doesn't matter anymore. I might have mentioned this before. Just feels like people want to believe in whatever they want to believe, depending on who they follow or who they accept what the person says. The number of things that I have seen that is happening in this world at this point in time that is so horrible and scary. It's crazy. I swear it is crazy. I was saying this to one of my friends. I said to them, I feel like it is important for you to be very mindful of the types of media you consume, where you get your news, where you read things from, the things you check and things like this. It is important because these days there's always so many places that you can verify the source of the news and information that you're getting, because people are doing hige and haga and you're following them and you're listening to them thinking that what they are telling you is the truth. And of course we all have common sense, so because we all have common sense, you should be able to ask yourself, what is this? Is this real? Is this true? Am I supposed to be listening to something like this? Should I verify this? There's a particular story that is happening at this point in time. There is so many things and so many versions of this story that does not make any sense at all. And you begin to wonder, what are people's agenda? Why are you talking about things that doesn't have anything to do with you? You know what's so shocking as well is the way people speak about things and about people, and they talk about them as if they know them. You don't know these people personally. You don't know anyone personally. You know what they show you. Just be mindful of what you consume and how you react to things. I've seen people fighting, arguing about some wayward people because the person is famous and you're fighting on their behalf, creating enemies for yourself, and this person will not even spit on you if you are on fire. They don't even know you exist. My dear, let's be mindful. This whole thing is defrosted. Let me just park the car. We just go into the car park. We need to park here because we want to do some sightseeing quickly. The last flight is at 3:30.
I don't know if this worked or not.
You don't think it worked?
No.
We have this park card thing and it looks like it did not work in this car park. You don't think it worked?
No.
When we're leaving, we speak to the guy. There will be somewhere there and explain to them what happened and see what they said. Maybe it worked, maybe it didn't. Huh? Yeah. We have dropped Ola at the airport. So we dropped Ola. Ola said he was going to go and pee. And we were there waiting for him. So we saw this book. We were looking at the book. At one point, I was like, where is Ola? Has he gone? What is he doing there? I went to the toilet. I called his name. It happened that he's already gone through security. And we did not even know. And he was texting me because my bag is in the car. We got this book. It says, Surrounded by Idiots. That's the book. I really want to read this. I haven't been reading as much as I would want to, as I normally used to do. So it's Surrounded by Idiots, the 4 types of human behavior and how to effectively communicate with each other in business and in life, by Thomas Erickson. It says international best-selling author. This seems like a really good read. I'm going to read this. It is extremely cold today. This is the thing. Sometimes you have weather like this. It's just -2 degrees, but it feels like -15. My feet are cold, my legs are cold. I feel so cold. It's crazy. And it's cloudy, it is foggy, it is gloomy. We did a bit of sightseeing, we walked around. This weather wasn't just giving what it's supposed to give. I will text Ola when I get back. He's playing the parts in 21 minutes. I am so ashamed to say this. I saw Sinners for the first time yesterday. We were in Edinburgh for my birthday, my man and I, and we went to the cinema to see Sinners, and it was so freaking late, the time of the movie, and we decided not to see it. Yesterday I watched it, and they've been nominated for 16 Oscars, and I do hope they win it. But you know how these things are, sometimes you never know. I just do hope that they win it because that movie is so good, extraordinary. Delroy Lindo, Michael B. Jordan, Wumi Musaku, they did the thing. Such a cool movie. The cinematography is really, really good. Ryan Coogler, just refreshing. And I'm someone that doesn't really like horror movie like that. The last horror movie I watched, baby, what was that horror movie we watched together?
I don't know. I don't remember the name. Yeah,
No, we watched Lovecraft Country. Yeah, we watched Lovecraft Country.
Which was big fun, yes.
Yeah.
But it wasn't that gory.
Yeah, it's
I think
really
it
good.
was that gory.
No, it wasn't that gory. That was the only horror movie that I've really, really enjoyed. I don't like horror, but this was really, really good. Original story is not an adaptation of anything. I just do hope that they win all the awards that they are nominated for, because they did the thing in that movie. Everything about that movie was just on point. So good, so good. The book I was talking about in the car is Surrounded by Idiots, the 4 types of human behavior and how to effectively communicate with each other in business and in life, Thomas Erikson. A fully revised and expanded edition of the runaway bestseller with more text, charts, examples and snack. Master the 4 basic behavior types and change the way you communicate. Do you ever think you are the only one making any sense, or tried to reason with your partner with disastrous results? Do wrong, rambling answers drive you crazy? Have you ever felt you are surrounded by idiots? Don't worry, you are not alone. Communication experts and best-selling author Thomas Erikson is back to explain how people function and why we often struggle to connect with certain personality types. He offers an updated and expanded edition of Surrounded by Idiots that will make you a master of communication. We will see to that. I will try to read this. I will try. As you all know, we love a good skincare here with Zeal. And I was talking on the last vlog about these serum drops that I really, really love from Veleda. They are finished already. These are some of the empties I've used recently. These are so good on the skin. Regenerating body lotion from Veleda. This body lotion is so moisturizing. I freaking love this. This will keep you moisturized. Love, 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 love. This is so good. I have this microfoliant on my face already. I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes before I wash it off. It is from Normalize. This helps with hyperpigmentation and things like this. I bought this from Space NK in Manchester, Andale. Micellar water. This is from La Roche-Posay. I use this just in case if there's any dead oil and dirt on my face to clear it off. So once I wash this off, I'm going to use this first. AHA, BHA, PHA 30 days toner. Miracle True Cycle Clear Part toner from Some By Me. Before this one, actually, I use Vita C Bright Toner at night. I use the T3 one in the afternoon. After that, I then use this from Some By Me. I then use this from Bioma. This is a face mist to balance my face and give it some moisture. Then I start applying every other thing that I need to apply. It's been 2 minutes now. I'm just going to go and wash this off. My face is all washed and prepped. What is the benefit of being gay? I do not understand what that means. Why are you asking me what is the benefit of being gay? Is that not weird to you? I don't know why they ask that, because some of these people think that because of you are gay, that there is money in homosexuality. Or they feel like you being attracted to men means that you don't have any joy whatsoever. They will be like, what do you enjoy in being with a man? The women are very, very sweet, yada, yada, yada. And I feel like whenever a man starts telling me how sweet a woman is, I'm like, I'm not sure you've seen the privates of a woman before. I don't think you have, because if you have, you won't be speaking about women like that. Women are what more than that. Women are not sexual objects. And some of these men don't know what a woman's pubic hair look like. This is the tongue you use to get this pad out here. This is so good. This is what it looks like. This is really, really good. They'll be like, oh, women is sweet. And when you ask them, what do you like about women? Why are you attracted to women? How do you define your attraction to women? They just don't know. They don't know what they are attracted to, because a man that is attracted to a woman will answer the questions differently. And once they say it, I'll be like, gay. I'll be like, you are a DL homosexual. Why are you telling me that I'm spreading homosexuality, that I'm promoting being gay and things like this? It does not make any sense whatsoever. This Vita C, this is so good. This is such a gentle toner. It is so gentle on the skin. Why do you not want children? Do you have kids? Why don't you want children? Who is going to inherit your things? What about legacy? How do you know that I have something that anyone will inherit? How do you know that? Some of these people actually do not understand that having children is a decision that you make. You decide to have children. Some people who have children are not supposed to have children. They just have children because it's what you do, and they are not qualified to be parents. This is why I said that there has to be a course to be given to people for them to have children, because some of you are wayward. I'm just going to use this Bioma lip tide oil to keep my lips juicy. It's hot in here. I just forgot that the heating is on to the maximum. The way people treat you doesn't have anything to do with you. People are wayward. They are wild. Let them be wayward. That is their problem. Protect your energy, because that will take you a long way. I have learned not to waste my time, my energy, and peace of mind on people who do not deserve it. My peace of mind is one of my biggest wins. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Thank you for joining the movement for visibility, truth, and representation. Thank you for being here. We will continue to do the things. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next vlog.